Hello everyone, it's Shayan from financials.com, and today we are going to talk about the concept of time value of money, which in fact is one of the most fundamental concepts in finance. This is the first topic in our Fundamentals of Finance with Python series, and I'm so excited to begin this journey with you. So let's begin by knowing why learning time value of money is important. First of all, it is foundational to all concepts in finance. It means you have to know this concept and understand it fully to be able to progress in the world of finance. It also helps you understand how the financial system works, how factors like interest rates, inflation rate, and other factors might affect the value of money over time. And most importantly, it helps you become a smart and successful investor or a decision maker. Please keep in mind that the mentioned points are just among the most important reasons why learning time value of money is important. But in fact, there are countless number of benefits you can gain by learning and fully understanding this topic. Now let me tell you what we will be covering in this set of video tutorials. We will begin by explaining the different cash flow streams such as single dollar cash flow, different annuities, irregular cash flows, and perpetuity. And then we will move on to explaining different interest rates such as APR, EAR, and period rates. In this topic, we will rely on Python to solve different time value of money problems, and that's where the real excitement comes into play. Now, let's talk about the prerequisite of this course, or what do you have to know to start or to be able to progress in this course. Basically, you just need to have a very basic understanding of Python programming language, and nothing else. That's it. Just keep in mind that this course is fundamental and itself is a requirement for all other courses in the Fundamental of Finance with Python series. So please take your time to practice the questions given in this tutorial as much as you can so you can be fluent in solving time value of money problems. Without any further explanations, let's begin the course. See you in the next video.